haven't posted a Rubik's video in a while, but here's one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Emma, Grimes' sister, and I will be the person mixing up his 3 Rubik's Cubes. So, yeah. These are the Rubik's Cubes I mixed up for Graham. I have no idea how to do any type of Rubik's Cube. So, yeah.
Now let's get started. Just saying, I start off with 4x4, and right now I'm going to inspect them. Now I'm ready to start. Now let's go. And just saying, I use Yao on 4x4, if you wanted to know.
So for the 4x4, it took him 1 minute and 21 seconds and 39 milliseconds, and now he's doing his 3x3. In average, Graham's 4x4, it usually takes him to 45 seconds to a minute usually. His 3x3 takes him about 15 to 20 seconds, and the 2x2 takes him about 4 seconds. So let's see what he got for all 3 of them.
My time was 1:45:48. You can see.
All right, let's try to focus that. Okay, it's not focusing. Okay. Anyways, yeah.
So that's my 2x2 through 4x4 relay. I hope you liked it, and bye.